Straight out the basement, the basement, the basement, the basement. To my nigga C.O. R.I.P. We W.A.S.T.E.D. I'm a thorough B.R.E.A.D.Z. E.N.T. Lil Shonda, what it be? It's your boy Lil 9 and Lil 9, I'm to me. Your girl cocked me back and then she shoot me. Yeah, niggas ain't nothing and these girls ain't shit. I just give her my banana, rock a world and I split. You rock a world and you split. Yep, cause I am not a groupie, I just get up in there ooey. One time you could never loop me and I swear that I'm the shit. Like I'm fresh out of a booty and all of these girls stick. And all of them wanna do me, but no, I am not rich, so my money kinda low. Save $1 for the relo, go and get it for the foe. We man be complaining, I don't care, I gotta smoke. And I hit it 3 times and I ain't high, found choke. It's your boy Lil 9 and no Lil 9 is not a drinker, but I'm engaged to the vodka and I'm still fucking tequila. And I'm so fucking underground that I should be a reaper, really. Straight up out the basement, I wish that you can peep us, but look, no, you can't peep me, but we peep you. No sleep, bro, my eyelids see through. You not a thoroughbred unless you're real close to people. So stop saying it before I have some real niggas come reach you. I school and wait on y'all, class clock niggas. I ballin', y'all cheer me on. Y'all some mascots, nigga. I'm going so fucking fast, might pass out, nigga. See the red light still be gone, I'm past stop, nigga. We on, nigga, but fuck what you be on. Little 9 do numbers, you catch 3 to the dome. I'm doing me, 314, this is my home. Yes, I put an arch in your girl back when she get me down. Fire up, me the light, nigga. I'm riding like next, like the bikes, nigga. Girl on the front and back, that's pigs, ho. Both 5 stars, that's Migs, ho. Yes, I get it in, heard what I said, ho. And you already know, Little 9's nowhere, though. C.R.I.P. C.O. nigga. And yes, thoroughbreds, we are too cold, nigga. I'm black as the motherfucker, so I'm bold, nigga. And if you didn't know, nigga, now you know, nigga. For sure, nigga, I'm from the show me state. Now please show this piranha that you ain't only fake. Swimming around here like you lost something, but your swag priceless, it don't cost nothing. But these hollow tips will never miss you. I get it poppin' like when you open biscuits, dude. Rockstar life, rockstar mind frame. Your girl ain't give you head, but I made that mind change. And now she stuck on me, saying that's my thing. And I'm like, no that ain't, cause I ain't got time and it's wasted. Girl, my time ain't wasted. This time I can't waste it. This time I can't waste it. Because a nigga not wasted. No, a nigga not wasted. Oh no, a nigga not wasted. Not wasted. Not wasted. Not yet. Straight out the basement.